box inside of the box is cool. This looks very intimidating and cool. Whoa, nothing else in here, just big, massive supply. C2C, cool little handle, which I will ultimately want to tighten, I guess. But anyway, LED light switch. Whoa, that blinded me. Okay, so it comes on like that. Press it again, like that. Whoa, it's pretty cool. Then the middle one goes off, then all kinds of. And you don't really need to do anything, just touch it. So 3 different shades of dark, and then you hold it down to off. So very cool, very, very cool. I love the aesthetics of it. I love the clear. I love the rubber handle. I don't know how well that's gonna last, but oh, it comes off to this cover. Okay, yeah, so I don't know how well this part's gonna last because it's rubber, but I am liking it while it does. Let's go ahead and do a tab on this. Oh, power's right on. Cool little display that anybody would love. Look at that. Let me tap it again. Boom, the lightest little tap. I'm at 51%, which is good because it came to me like that. All right, I got 2 USBs, A's, then 2 C's. Let's put a little load on it and see what it does. Going through a C2C port for the highest amount of power. Plug in a battery. 6 amps. This will shut down a lot of chargers because it's looking for 20 volts to do this. I do have a tester, but the fact that the little hole right here, I'm just talking while this is going because it's gonna take a minute to at least show us. But see, it's blinking. It's working. Very good too. This hole is recessed right here, so in order for me to get my tester in there, I can't go in deep enough without some type of adapter. So I just decided to, you know, do it with just a tester because I know that for sure that these things pull 20 amps right away. Let's see, this display probably will tell us that though, which is the cool thing about this display. It's to see. Okay, it's at 13 volts, 5 point something amps, so that's good. It's good output. Let's see if we can double down on that and put something else. I got something charging right here. I can do it and take this off. Plug this into here. $14 volts. All right, this is charging. Second device. So this timed out. So when I tried to put heavy load on it, 2 C's at once, it couldn't handle it. So let's see. Now this is running. This is a lower draw. This is like a small. So the blinking light shows me that it's charging on this. This is receiving power. I'm gonna hit this to start it. So then we should see some amp jump. Yep. Kind of fluctuating, pulling some watts. Battery level dropped down from 50 something to 49. There we go, 79 watts, and it's charging, so it's holding over here. Yeah, so I can take this to the field and charge perhaps 2 batteries at once. Good deal.